In this Kingshiper Screen Mirroring review, we'll check if the tool lives up to its promises, looking at performance, features, and user feedback to help you decide if it's worth the download or purchase. Part 1. What is Kingshiper Screen Mirroring? Kingshiper Screen Mirroring lets you cast your iPhone or Android screen to a Windows PC via wireless or USB. It supports multiple devices, screen recording, screenshots, and features like full screen mode and whiteboard editing. Part 2. Kingshiper Screen Mirroring Main Features. Part 3. Kingshiper Screen Mirroring Requirements and Use. System Requirements: PC, Windows 32 64-bit. Phone, tablet, Android 7.0 Plus or iOS. Network: same Wi-Fi for wireless mirroring. USB Android, USB debugging enabled and compatible cable. How to use: install, set up Kingshiper on both devices. Wi-Fi, connect to the same network. Select your PC QR pin, scan or enter pin to connect. USB, enable USB debugging, connect, and select mirror. Start. Your phone screen mirrors on the PC with extra features. Part 4. Kingshiper Screen Mirroring, Pricing and Security. Part 5. FAQs about Kingshiper Screen Mirroring. Q1. How to mirror iPhone. Tap Screen Mirroring, select PC. Q2. Why won't USB connect? Check settings, drivers, restart. Q3. Can I adjust screen? Yes. Switch orientation full screen. Q4. Can I record screenshot? Yes. Built-in tools. Part 6. Kingshiper Screen Mirroring, Pros and Cons. The good: wide support, mirrors Android or iOS via Wi-Fi USB. Options: QR, pin, USB. Tools: recording, screenshots, whiteboard. Control Android via keyboard, mouse, multi-device. Mirror multiple devices. The bad: free limits, time, watermark, reliability, delays wireless. Setup complex, Windows only, no MacOS or Linux support. Part 7. Kingshiper Screen Mirroring Ratings and Alternative. The best alternative. Screen Mirror is a versatile screen mirroring tool that allows users to cast Android and iOS devices to a Windows or Mac computer effortlessly. Step 1. Download and install Screen Mirror on your computer. Once installed, connect your Android device using a USB cable. When prompted, choose your smartphone and select the Transfer Files option. Step 2. Go to Settings, about phone software info. Tap build number 7 times. Then enable USB debugging. Step 3. Allow app access and click Turn on to install Screen Mirror. APK. Control Android apps from PC or Mac.